Small businesses are actually a big business. In fact, two-thirds of all of the companies in Germany are sole proprietorship. It's like that because even with the bureaucracy in Germany, it is very easy to get started with your business if you are registering yourself as a sole proprietor or Einzelunternehmen. So watch this video till the end and I'll show you exactly how to register your business in Germany as a sole proprietor. You might be thinking, Ahsan, why do I need to register my business? I can simply advertise all of my business activities on Facebook and other social media and I get a decent amount of revenue and customers from those social media activities. To answer that, you need to know that if you are doing any kind of business activity in Germany, you have to register your activity with the trade office. If you do not register yourself, this activity will be illegal and the finance arm or the finance office can take legal action against you. You can read more about that in the Trade Regulations Act, point number 146, link below the like button. Registering an Einzelunternehmen is very easy. All you need to do is Google your city name plus Gewerbeanmeldung and you will find a specific website for your city. Now, many cities have an option to submit this form online, but if you do not find an online form, I will be linking one in the description below so you can fill this form along with me. Alright, let's fill out this form together. In total, there are 33 points, out of which many are going to be left blank if we are registering our business as a sole proprietor. So do not worry if we leave most of them empty. For example, point number 1, 2, 3 will be left empty in our case. In number 4, we are going to put in the details of the person who is actually registering this business. So we write down the first name, last name. Number 6, we are going to provide the gender details. In number 7, we are going to provide the birth name. So if you are married and you have changed your name after marriage, you will need to provide your birth name here. Number 8 is going to be the date of birth. Number 9, the place of birth. Number 10, we're going to put in our nationality. So if you are a German citizen, simply click on Deutsche, otherwise click on Andre and provide your nationality. In number 11, we are going to give in our address, then our mobile phone number, fax number, email address or any other websites if we have. In number 12, we are being asked if there are going to be members of the board of directors. As a sole proprietor, we do not have any board of directors, so this is going to be left empty. In number 13, we are being asked if the public sector is going to be involved. As a sole proprietor, it's unlikely that the public sector will be involved, but if you are not sure, simply click on Nicht bekannt. Next, number 14 is asking if we have an operations manager. Again, left empty for a sole proprietor. In number 15, we'll have to provide the address for our business operations. If you are working from home, you will have to provide your home address. If you have any other rented place or a specific office place, write down the address for that space. Number 16, we are being asked if this business has any branches or a head office. If there is a head office and multiple branches, then in number 16, we write down the head office. In number 17, we write down if there was a previously registered business which had an address. If there's no previous registration, simply leave this empty as well. If you are liking this video so far, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and consider subscribing. Number 18 is the most important bit for this form. Here we're going to put in each and every activity that we want to register ourselves. For example, in my case, I am a content creator for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, many other social media websites. Additionally, I also have my own website where I write down articles, and these articles contain affiliate marketing links. So I'm working as an affiliate marketer as well. So I will write down a social media content creator, an advertising agent and affiliate marketing. In your case, you write down whatever activity is eligible for you. That being said, after registering your business, you always have an opportunity to modify or remove any activities that you have registered with your business, but obviously that will require another form and additional fees. So do not limit yourself. Write down everything that is applicable for you in point number 18. In number 19, we are being asked if this is going to be our main business. In many cases, we register our business as a side gig, so we write down no. However, if it is your main business, you write down yes. In number 20, we are being asked from which date we are starting this business. So if we want to start it from the 1st of July, we are going to write down 1st of July 2022. Number 21 is asking if this business is related to the industry, handicrafts work or is general business. Based on your activities, if the business is related to any of these fields, select the appropriate field. But in our case, it's going to be a general or Sonstige. Number 22 is asking if we have any employees for our business. Apart from yourself, who is the owner, if you have any employees that are working for you full-time or part-time, write down the number of part-time workers or full-time. If you do not have any employees working for you, simply click on Keine. Number 23 and 24 are related to the head office and branches. So if this is going to be your head office, simply click on eine Hauptniederlassung, otherwise select the appropriate option. In number 25, we are being asked if this is a new business or if we are changing the status. In our case, we are starting a new business, so we will click on Neugründung. But if you are re-registering or modifying your status, you can simply select whichever option is applicable for you. Number 26 would be applicable if you had a previous business and you have modified your status, but in our case, we will leave this empty. Number 27 is not applicable for new businesses. In number 28, we are being asked if we need special kind of permission to register this business or start this work. In some cases, you will need special permission. For example, if you're working as a real estate agent, you will need a license to work like that. But in our case, we do not need a special permission, so we're going to click on 9. And 29, again, we are being asked if our business is related to handiworks. If it is, then we will need special permission from the Handwerkkammer. Number 30 is for expats, and I'm assuming you are under this category. Here we are being asked if we have a valid identity document. We will write down the date at which it was provided to us and the Behörde that issued this document. In number 31, we are being asked if we have permission to start a business. And this permission can be found on your Ausweis if you are allowed to work or not. If you are, write down yes and provide the details as well. Number 32 is the date and number 33 is your signature. Once you fill out this form, submit it to the relevant Handelskammer or trade office in your city. On submission, you will get a specific document stating that you are legally allowed to work with these activities that you have mentioned in this form. After a couple of days, you'll get a letter with your new tax number, which is going to be different from your tax number from your full-time employment. In addition, you will also get this Fragebogen, so steuerliche Erfassung. Now this is a very complicated form from the Finanzamt. It has more than 170 different options which you'll need to fill. Do not worry, in this video I'll show you step by step to fill out this form and correctly characterize your business with the Finanzamt. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.